Isolated hip movements align with the highlighted figure 8 on your RAQISA mat. Stand with the arches of your feet over the arrowed line, placed as wide as the center circle on your RAQISA mat. Between an anterior and a posterior pelvic tilt is neutral. Maintain a neutral pelvis. Keep your movements isolated in your hips only. Avoid twisting from the shoulders. Twist and slide your right hip forward and trace your right outer hip along the outside of the figure 8 pattern. Slide through the center X. Trace your left outer hip along the outside of the figure 8 pattern. Repeat the same movement as you shift your weight from right side to the left side. To ensure you have the full movement, be sure that your hips align with the figure 8 on your RAQISA mat. Practice with the balance plate on top of your head.